I'm hitting them with rights and lefts and all kinds of things. I'm beating one after the other. I'm like a big ass bear for a battle, but see my skills got me covered. So bring me your shit starters and watch me get smarter. And you ain't seen a set of speakers that can hit harder, unless they amped with a half a transnova. And after I complete the job, I'll stand over. Another misfortunate victim. I hate to see him go like that, but y'all can go and pick it up. That's just another closed chapter. Living for that good cheese, just laid him low faster. I'm in a hell of a spot, sitting here with it at the top, listening to the criticism knock. Them motherfuckers must have forgot that I be straight out banging. Been here for 12 years maintaining, stopping everybody that they naming. That quiet storm that just keeps raining, bouncing every bell that be ringing. Got my 6 titles still hanging. While them niggas sleep, I'm up thinking of new ways to keep my best shit banging. Mr. Unstoppable, and still I'm Mr. Untroublable, and still I'm Mr. Invincible, Mr. Unbeatable, and still Mr. Unknockable, Mr. Unstoppable, and still I'm Mr. Untroublable, and still I'm Mr. Invincible, Mr. Unbeatable, and still Mr. Unknockable. Put your hard hat. Nah, critics don't even start that. You fed your big dog to a smart cat. I get off in his chest where his heart's at.